Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Eglo remote. First, make sure your Eglo light fixture is powered on and ready. You'll also need your Eglo remote control close at hand. The connection process is straightforward, but it requires a specific sequence of steps to ensure successful pairing between your remote and your light. Let's get started with the initial setup. To begin the pairing process, first turn your light fixture off at the main power switch. Wait for at least 5 seconds before turning the power back on. This brief power cycle prepares the light for pairing. Immediately after turning the light back on, within a window of 3 seconds, press and hold the designated on or pair button on your Eglo remote control. This action initiates the connection. You'll know the pairing is successful when your light fixture flashes 3 times. This visual cue confirms that the remote and the light have established a connection. Once you see these flashes, you can release the button on your remote control. Now, it's time to test the remote's functionality. Try adjusting the brightness, changing the color temperature, or cycling through different light modes to ensure everything works as expected. If you encounter any issues during the pairing process, don't worry. First, try repeating the entire sequence, paying close attention to the timing, especially the 3-second window. Also, ensure your remote control has fresh batteries, as low power can prevent proper communication. Finally, make sure you are within close proximity to the light fixture, ideally within 1 meter, during the initial pairing attempt for optimal signal strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.